Welcome to the Trust Wallet tutorial, a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to set up and use Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. To start, download and install the Trust Wallet app from the official website or App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and set up a PIN for added security. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that will help you recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to keep this phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and funds. After setting up your wallet, you can start adding cryptocurrencies to it. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To add a cryptocurrency, click on the Receive button and select the asset you want to add. You will then be given a unique wallet address, which you can use to receive funds from other wallets or exchanges. To send funds, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. It is crucial to ensure that you are sending funds to the correct address, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Always double-check the recipient's address before confirming the transaction. In addition to storing and sending cryptocurrencies, Trust Wallet also allows users to stake and earn rewards on certain assets. Staking involves holding a specific amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet for a set period, and in return, you will receive rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. To get started with staking, navigate to the staking section of the app and select the asset you want to stake. Follow the instructions to complete the staking process, and you will start earning rewards. In conclusion, setting up and using Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Trust Wallet to store, send, and receive digital assets, as well as stake and earn rewards. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, and never share it with anyone. With Trust Wallet, you can take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio and start building wealth in the world of digital assets.